Can you print out your Adobe Express design? Don't just simply press Command or Ctrl P for printer. You will end up with something like this. We don't want to print the whole interface of the program, so let's cancel that and instead click Download at the top. From here, you can select different formats. For printing, I recommend to use PDF format. So change to PDF and click Download. It may take a moment to download your file, depends how many elements that you put in that project. Alright, now my PDF is in my downloads folder. So that's the very same folder when all of the stuff that you download from the internet goes from your web browser. After that, you can open up your PDF and then you can print it up like any other document from your computer. I'm on Mac, so it's really simple. I just click File and there is Print option over here at the bottom. And now I can print out my file without any troubles. Here it is. Alright, so that's how you need to proceed if you plan to print out your project. First download PDF, then print it out. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next Adobe Express tutorial.